In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Webex audio issues. If you've ever been in the middle of an important online meeting only to be met with frustrating audio problems, you're not alone. Audio issues can disrupt your train of thought and hinder effective communication. Fortunately, there are a few straightforward steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve these issues. Let's dive in and get your Webex audio working perfectly again. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to web.webex.com. This is the main hub for managing your Webex meetings and settings. Once you're there, look for the Meetings tab. Clicking on Meetings will guide you to the page where you can manage your scheduled meetings. Now, you'll want to click on Start. This button is your gateway to launching a meeting session. It's important to ensure that your meeting is up and running before you begin testing the audio settings, as this will allow you to make any necessary adjustments in real time. With your meeting started, the next step is to click on Start a Meeting. This might seem repetitive, but it's crucial for those instances where you need to initiate a new session or test your audio setup in a different meeting environment. It's always a good practice to start fresh, especially when troubleshooting. Once your meeting is live, hover over to the audio options. This section is where you'll find all the settings related to your audio input and output. It's a central hub for managing everything from your microphone to your speakers, ensuring you can hear and be heard clearly during your meeting. Inside the audio options, you'll see an option labeled Test Speaker and Microphone. Click on this option to begin the testing process. This feature is incredibly handy as it allows you to verify if your audio devices are properly connected and functioning as expected. When you click Test Speaker and Microphone, listen for any sound from your speakers and speak into your microphone to check for responsiveness. If you hear sound from your speakers, they're working correctly. If not, check to ensure they're selected as the output device in your audio settings. For the microphone, if you see the green bars moving as you speak, it indicates your microphone is capturing sound. If there's no movement, you might need to select a different microphone from the drop-down menu within the audio settings. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve most common audio issues within Webex. Remember, sometimes all it takes is a simple adjustment in your settings to get everything back on track. If you still encounter problems, consider checking your device's sound settings or restarting your computer as a last resort. This quick guide has shown you exactly how to fix Webex audio issues. By taking a systematic approach and testing your audio settings, you can ensure that your meetings run smoothly and without interruption. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you have more productive and stress-free Webex meetings in the future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials.